Jesus' grace transforms, restores and heals. When shadows loom and hope seems to fade, I stand before you wounded by life's powers. Yet your love is a promise that will never trade. You whisper hope in the silence of night, a gentle call that lifts my soul to rise. In your embrace, my heart finds its light. For in your grace, every sorrow dies. Jesus' grace transforms, restores and heals. Every tear and scar becomes a story retold. In the midst of pain, your love reveals a new beginning, precious and bold. I have wandered through valleys of despair, haunted by memories of regret and loss. But your mercy found me there so rare, and through your grace I no longer feel the cost. Your healing touch mends the fractures of my life, turning broken pieces into a work of art. From deep within, you still the strife, restoring my soul, renewing my heart. Jesus' grace transforms, restores and heals. Every broken piece is tenderly remade. In every trial, your truth reveals a love that shines through every darkened shade. When I gaze upon the scars of yesterday, I see not defeat, but the beauty of your care. You've painted a brighter, hopeful way, where sorrow and fear vanish into thin air. You transform the shattered fragments of my past into a future gleaming with your light. With every beat of my heart steadfast, I sing of a love that makes everything right. Even when life's storms encircle me tight, and the weight of the world feels too much to bear, your grace whispers of possibilities bright, of hope, redemption,